common man of Pakistan in both urban and rural areas is highly vulnerable to a number of calamities that include natural and artificial disasters, law and order situations, bomb blasts and turf wars, and road accidents are commonplace. These unfortunate events leave people dislocated and alone in wretched conditions. Project Talash strives to unite the dislocated people of Pakistan. People need a platform to locate their loved ones dislocated in the aftermath of a disaster. Talash, in collaboration with government and non-governmental organizations and hospitals, will assist the people to locate and contact them. An idea like Talash needs utmost attention as it is feasible, executable, and most importantly, need of the time. A team of enthusiastic individuals with diverse backgrounds and expertise is in action to make this idea a reality. Team Talash is committed to make this idea smoothly workable, sustainable, user-centric, and result-oriented. Project Talash is meant to generally deal with assisting victims of any form of humanitarian crisis that may include natural disasters, floods, earthquakes, hurricanes, and landslides, artificial catastrophes including law and order situations, bomb blasts and turf wars, left outs on the streets, homeless people, runaway kids and destitutes, and people meeting accidents who are brought to emergency departments of hospitals and medical centers. But its prime focus is on the people in extreme conditions who are ripped off of their properties and left out alone and lost due to major disasters in Pakistan. The major stakeholders of Talash will be general public, government agencies and NGOs dealing with disaster, Nadra, humanitarian organizations like EIDI, public and private hospitals and both government and non-governmental agencies dealing with homeless people on the street, and law enforcement agencies, police, city wardens, emergency teams, security agencies and community-based security mechanisms. The central idea of Talash remains the same for all the stakeholders: to give identity to the people lost due to any kind of calamity and inform their near and dear ones through available form of media and communication. Subsequently, it is expected to acquire a national database that can be easily updated by both the stakeholders as well as the people on their own ends. Talash can also be widely used by government, intergovernmental and international NGOs as well as the media and academia for research purposes. Talash will be interconnected with all the popular social networking sites, fully integrated so that the people of Pakistan are not left aloof from the rest of the world. If awarded by Pasha Fund for Innovation, Team Talash will start up with the following steps. Stakeholder analysis and mapping includes identifying active community members and responsible citizens. Sensitization of stakeholders comes next in order to make them understand how important this idea is and the need for its intended outcomes. Third comes community and stakeholder mobilization, which constitutes mobilization of the community and stakeholders for achieving the particular goal through workshops, corner meetings, and awareness sessions. Fourth step includes development of databases, training manuals, and basic designing of the user-friendly and easily accessible system for Project Talash at core office. Fifth step is software development life cycle, starting from use cases, functional requirements, analyzing requirements, seeking expert opinions, graphics and design, web-based development, testing, and making Talash ready for the launch as beta version. Talash will be available as a desktop, web, mobile application, and social media application. After software development, linkages will be developed with established government, non-government agencies, and community-based organizations, police stations, and hospitals. Seventh step includes training of end users. They are community members, police administration, hospital administration, and rescue staffs. Implementation of Talash comes at 8th level. Talash will be implemented at a UC level organization, police station, hospital, and a rescue organization office. Once implemented successfully, Talash model will be replicated and implemented at a national level. 10th and last step will include the maintenance, updation, and new feature additions to Project Talash. Team Talash consists of thinkers and innovators, programmers and engineers, graphic designers and animators, researchers in governance and public policy, social media marketeers and social activists, resource persons from NGO and government sector. Team Talash has experience of working with education sector, Aga Khan Rural Support Program, Alliance Against Sexual Harassment, Mehergad, Sustainable Participatory Organization, Karakoram Area Development Organization. Team Talash is being assisted in this venture by a small IT startup company, UXL, co-founded by graduates of GIKI and FAST, based in Islamabad, working as a freelance company. UXL has developed several online applications including real estate project, social networking sites, local and international web projects. One of the recent national level project by UXL is Alliance Against Sexual Harassment Database. Team Talash looks forward for your cooperation and collaboration to bring this idea into reality. Let's reunite the loved ones. Thank you.